Rusty. Be calm. Rusty. They're good boy. Junior's turn. Junior. Oh, you got a booger. Yeah. You're gonna eat that, aren't you? Yep. Let's go outside. Whoa. It's a beautiful day outside to go potty and stare at nothing. Good boys. Good morning. So I thought a fun YouTube video would be to follow my dogs around for a day. Don't eat the grass. Off to a great start. And my dogs don't do much. So this will be a probably short video, but lots of cute clips of them being cute. You know what I mean. So yeah, we're just gonna follow my dogs around today. It's a Saturday, it's super chill. Just whatever cuteness they decide to deliver, I will share it with you so you can go aw or laugh at them or, you know, whatever. And yes, I picked up a zit on my face, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to stare at that all day. Well, actually you won't have to because it's not about me, it's gonna be about them. So this is it, this is all you get. Maybe an outro from me too, but it's time for breakfast. Oh, we match. Eat. Yeah. You wanna eat? Yeah. How about you, Junior? No, you're not eating the grass. Stop eating the grass. Stop it. I need to put your food there. And you keep... Oh, no, both of them. Oh. Yep. Yeah, morning stretch. Excuse me, sir. I just fixed that because we put your food on that. Yeah, I know. You never want your food. Go eat your food. Okay, now your brother cannot eat because you're standing over. Okay, now he's eating that food. Every morning we start off as dysfunctional as possible. Eat your food. Yeah, I know. Disgust. I know you're disgusted.
It can be a pet use is the issue.
Sister, pet me. You must earn my right to eat your food.
Not that one.
No, eat your food. You're putting your feet almost in it. That was an interesting stretch.
Go eat.
Every morning. Oh, is that Mom? It's very difficult to pet him because he wants to rub his eyeballs all over you for some reason. Back outside. Only this time to hopefully poop. Feels like fall today. Are you just gonna sit there? You're not gonna poop? You're just stubborn this morning? Oh, yep, I see the squirrel. The squirrel could care less about you too. Ooh, look at the sun coming out. Wow. My golden glowing boys. You're not gonna go poop? I know you need to go poop. Someone is refusing to poop, and you are not going to poop inside my house. So go poop. Finally, after 10 minutes, he is pooping. I'm so proud of my son. Sit, Rusty, sit. Rusty, sit. Rusty, sit. Rusty, sit. Good boy. Thank you for sitting. Okay, for 2 seconds. There him is. My little acrobat. You might be like, you haven't given them any water yet. And that's the exact same thing Junior's thinking right now. But we can't, because if we do, they throw up. I don't know if your dogs do this. Why is he sitting with his butt to me? He's so handsome. You're so handsome, Rusty. I'm gonna go work out. Bye, you guys. You look like you'll miss me so much. So indifferent. Could care less. Your lip is stuck. Hi. Oh, you realized we're here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're playing hard to get? Yeah. Bless you. Bless you. We're gonna go work out. You enjoy your nap time because you know you've had a solid 40 minutes of physical activity and that's really exhausting, you know, when you first wake up. So Bye. I'm over here, not over there.
Hello. 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 Big stretch. Yes. Big stretch. Yes. Oh. There, I got you some water. Do you want it? No? Okay.
Someone's enjoying the water.
Yeah. Sit. Sit.
Good job.
Sit. 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 Junior. Sit. You catch better when you sit. Junior, sit. Sit.
Good job.
Here.
He's looking for more.
Hi.
Look at my talented
What a
boy.
good boy.
So talented. Good boy. Look at my other talented boy.
Shake. What a good boy.
So talented. Oh, so talented.
Bestie.
Oh, yep. Dance.
Good boy.
He's so strong.
Junior, sit. There. Good boy. Shake. What a good boy.
Yes. My little froggy boy. You guys want to come hang out with me and lay on my sweaty shirt while I shower? I know that's your favorite thing. This is why I will never use a dirty clothes hamper, because I would be depriving them of this. This is their favorite thing. Life hack, you don't need a hamper. Don't buy a hamper. Don't waste money on a hamper. Just make your dogs this happy. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that face. If you're ever wondering who helps me edit, these are my co-editors. He's a really good editor over there. See, with his fancy foot. Very helpful. Yep, lots of input. What's wrong, Rusty? What's wrong? Your brother seems content. What's up with you? What's wrong? You want to come up here? Yeah, oh. Ow, oh, right on my belly. You can't have that. It's popcorn kernels. Attention, mother, attention. Pay attention to me. Hi, you want to come back up here and walk on my belly button? Yep. We're on my computer. It's his world and I'm just living in it. Sometimes we just need hugs, right? You look pretty sleepy down there. Oh, hi. Nice stretch. How sleepy are you? It's hard being Junior. Tell me, use your words. Okay, okay. You wanna go outside? Yeah? What is, okay. I will get up. We'll go outside. I know. Yes, I hear you. It's urgent. I understand. Yes, I know. It's my job to serve you. I thought I would end the video here. Some more clips might follow, but the sun is setting, it's getting dark out, so usually we just become couch potatoes more so than we already have today since I've been editing. It literally feels like fall outside. They keep pulling and it's windy. I'm trying to end the video, you guys. Video that's already about you. But like this video if you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed filming it and editing it, I'm sure, because I just love my dogs more than anything. Comment below something cute or weird your dog does. But I will see you guys next Sunday with another video. And you can also catch my vlogs Tuesdays and Fridays, or my workouts on Wednesdays. And I'm gonna go upload tomorrow's video now. Okay, bye. Living on the edge over here.